Sound clippers. Hear this poem and sing along. The sound clippers went all about the town. They looked up a few words and clipped some sounds. The B in lamb is meekly quiet, and the D in edge has no voice. Of the G in resign, there is only a sign. Just like the H in rhythm and in rhyme. The K in knee has been snapped up clean. Even the L in walk and in palm can only be seen. The N in autumn and the T in listen are mum and calm. Can you hear the U in guess, tongue, or queen? Or the W in right, wrote, or in wrong? I told you, the sound clippers went about clipping sounds. A silent letter cannot be heard, but it can be seen when you write the word. A silent letter appears in a word without changing the other sounds in the word. A silent letter can be at the beginning, end, or middle of the word.